That third prong isn't a safety feature. It's a lightning rod with a death wish, and your phone charger is actively bypassing it. Let's talk about electrical grounding and why the grid is running a four-prong conspiracy you didn't sign up for. The ground prong isn't there to hold your device upright. It's a shameless emergency exit. When a live wire touches your laptop's metal chassis, the ground prong screams, "Take me instead," and drags the fault current straight into the earth. But here's the skill issue. Electricity doesn't care about your feelings. It obeys the path of least resistance. If your ground is weak or missing or politely ignored, that current finds another route. Spoiler, it's your body, and your skin has terrible thermal efficiency. Enter the four-prong conspiracy. Neutral and ground are supposed to be best friends. They do the exact same job, but code bureaucracy in 1995 drew a hard line. Neutral carries the load. Ground carries the shame. They refuse to share a terminal. Modern tech realized this isn't efficient, so they built the isolation transformer. It's a copper cage that cuts the physical ground connection inside your charger. Your laptop now floats in a vacuum of safety. No ground, no shame, just pure unfiltered floating. This is performative safety. Manufacturers check the safety box. Does it have a ground prong? Yes. Does the inside care? Absolutely not. It's like putting a helmet on a mannequin and calling it a crash test. So what happens when the floating meets the floor? Dielectric breakdown. If your charger's internal capacitor fails and you're touching water, your body becomes the ground wire. You're not plugging in, you're completing the circuit. Literally, why don't we just add a fourth prong? We tried. It's called a four-wire system, and it's a nightmare for homeowners. You'd need a dedicated neutral bus, a bonded ground, and a circuit breaker that actually reads your mind. The grid is too lazy. The real villain isn't the plug. It's the neutral to ground bond at the main panel. 1972, they bonded them together. Now, if your neighbor's faulty device pushes current back through the ground, your house becomes a parallel circuit. Welcome to the sharing economy. So here's the fix, or the hack. Use a ground fault interrupter. It watches the current like a paranoid bodyguard. If live and neutral don't match, it trips in milliseconds. Faster than you can blink. Faster than your neurons can fire. Stop treating the ground prong like decoration. It's the unsung hero keeping your Wi-Fi router from turning into a taser. Respect the path of least resistance. Or don't. But when your smart fridge starts singing opera, don't say I didn't warn you.